Having a local contractor do your roof here in Minnesota is very important, especially during storm season. During storm season, if there's a storm, there's companies that come in from all over the country to try to set up shop and do some of the work here in Minnesota to get access to some of these storm jobs that the insurance companies are paying for. One of the biggest problems of that is that if there is an issue with your roof, you're not going to have anybody to call that's going to be here. You're going to, if it's a national company or if it's somebody that's just here for that specific window of time, they're not going to be here if there is an issue. Having a local contractor that has been here for quite a while and has a good business that's going to continue to be here, we're not we're not all perfect. Sometimes guys make mistakes and there's issues that need to be handled. There's services that need to be taken care of, and so you're gonna need to have somebody here locally that you can turn to and say, hey, can you guys come check this out, and then have them stand up to that for that work. And unfortunately, if the company that you have work on your home is only here for that short window when there's that storm work, then you might not be able to access that company and get that service taken care of.